In number 3, we're going to find the distance between two parallel lines. Our first step is to write the equation of a line through the y-intercept of one of the given lines that's perpendicular to the same line. So if we are to use the y-intercept here of 11, and the line and the slope is -1/4, the perpendicular slope would be 4, then that equation would be y equals 4x plus 11. Okay, so once again, that's using a y-intercept of one of the given lines and then the slope that is perpendicular to the slope of that line. Then we're going to go to the next step. The next step is to find the point of intersection between our new line, this one right here in blue, and the other given line, which I'm going to circle here in green. And so we're going to solve this system. So I'm going to have 4x plus 11 is equal to -1/4 x minus 6. And since we have a fraction there, I'm going to take first and multiply everything by 4. And then just move all my variables to one side, all my constants to another side. And divide that out. That's going to give us x equals -4. And then we're going to go back and go to any one of these two equations and substitute in our x value to find the y value. So if I use y equals 4x plus 11, and I'm substituting in the x value that we found, which is -4, we're going to find that the y value is -16 plus 11, which is going to give us -5. And so therefore, the point of intersection is going to be the point -4, -5. And so now we have this point -4, -5 right here. And we have our y-intercept here. And we're trying to find now the distance between the point that we found here in step 2, which was -4, -5, and the y-intercept that we used over in step 1. So this y-intercept that we used over here in step 1, which was 0, 11. And now we're going to use the distance formula. So we're going to take the square root of the differences of the x's squared. So that's going to give us a 16. And add to that the differences of the y squared. And so 16 squared is going to give us 256. And we're going to add those together. That's going to give us 272. And then we need to simplify that radical. So I have 16 times 17. So we're going to have 4 radical 17 units as our answer.